Why are you scratching your head, Turbo Girl?
My school teacher has just given me a question. She wanted us to find out the other types of fraction apart from the proper ones. Do you have any idea?
Oh, that's it. It's very simple. There are two other types of fractions.
Quick, tell me please.
Be patient, Turbo Girl. We'll learn about them today. We had already learned about proper fractions in our earlier lesson. Now let me refresh your memory. Which of the three fractions I wrote is a proper fraction?
1/3. I know that in proper fraction, the numerator is smaller than the denominator.
Good.
Teacher, what about the other two fractions? Their numerators are greater than their denominators. They are not proper fractions.
Good question. 4/2 and 5/3 are called improper fractions.
I see. So, when a fraction has a greater numerator than its denominator, it's called an improper fraction.
Good, Turbo Girl. Now look at this set of fractions. Each fraction is made up of one whole number and one proper fraction. Let me read you the fractions first. 1/2, 4 3/5, and 3 8/9. Now can you tell me what kind of fractions they are?
I have not seen such fractions before.
They are called mixed numbers.
I know. Mixed numbers have both whole numbers and fractions.
That's correct. I think now you should be able to answer your school teacher's question.
Yes, thanks, teacher.
Now that you are able to recognize proper fractions, improper fractions, and mixed numbers, let's learn how to make an improper fraction into a mixed number.
Okay.
I have here an improper fraction, 5/2. Can you tell me what does this fraction mean?
I think it means there are 5 halves. That is, half plus half plus half plus half plus half.
Yes, these 5 pieces of half pizzas represent the improper fraction. Now if I rearrange the pizzas like these, what do you see?
Hey, there are 2.5 pizzas.
Yes, Turbo Girl, since half plus half is 1. Therefore, 5 divided by 2 is 2.5 when written as a mixed number.
I think I understand now.
Turbo Girl, you try making 18/4 into a mixed number.
Okay, 18/4 means 18 quarters. I know that 4 quarters make 1 whole, so I can make 4 wholes and be left with 2/4. I know the mixed number is 4 and 2/4.
That is not quite correct. Mixed numbers must be expressed in the simplest form. Look at your answer again. 4 wholes and 2 quarters, you need to divide 2 and 4 of the fraction by 2. The final fraction is half. The final answer is 4.5.
Oh yes, how careless of me. I must remember to express all fractions in the simplest form.
After you had learned how to convert improper fractions to mixed numbers, let's learn how to work the other way around.
You mean to convert mixed numbers to improper fractions?
Very clever, Turbo Girl. Yes, that is what we are going to do now. Take a look at this mixed number, 3 1/4. In this mixed number, we have a whole number 3. 1 whole means 4 quarters. Therefore, 3 wholes means 3 times of 4 quarters. This is the same as 3 times 4. So 3 wholes are equal to 12 quarters.
Is that the answer? 12 quarters?
Of course not, Turbo Girl. We have only changed the whole number into fraction form. We still have the remaining 1/4. We need to add that to 12 quarters. Therefore, the answer is 13 quarters.
I get it now. Let me try one.
Okay, express 6 4/10 as an improper fraction.
1 whole equals 10 tenths, so 6 whole equals 6 times 10, which is 60 tenths. Finally, add the remaining fraction 4 tenths. I get the answer 64 tenths.
Correct, Turbo Girl. Can you reduce the answer to its simplest form?
When I divide both numerator and denominator by 2, I will get 32 fifths.
Good work, Turbo Girl. Can you tell me briefly the things you have learned in today's lesson?
I have learned what are proper, improper fractions and mixed numbers. I also learned to convert improper fraction to mixed number, and vice versa. To convert an improper fraction to mixed number, I first find the number of wholes the fraction can make based on the denominator. Then, I take the wholes and add it to the remaining fraction.
What about to express a mixed number as an improper fraction?
To express a mixed number as an improper fraction, I need to multiply the whole number by a denominator and add that to the fraction.
Well said, Turbo Girl, but you have forgotten to add that we need to reduce the improper fractions, proper fractions, or mixed numbers to their simplest form when possible.
Oh yes, and that too. Thank you, teacher.
All right, see you at the next lesson.